dog. And this is a Victorious Flipmaster. She
Subscribe to my channel.
Yeah. And this is a crazy person. And this is her evil sister. I'm just kidding. This is her sister, Alana Thompson. And this is their dog.
It's so cute.
She like, what the heck are you doing? And she's making cat noises.
What do you want on it? Smack, answer my question. Wait. Later.
Can you stop making cat noises, please? Meow if that was enough. Bruh! Are you freaking high? She's just like Shuggy. She hates the camera. Okay, so she's going crazy right now. Oh yeah, the fans are asking you, when are you gonna upload Nature Part 2?
Nature Part 1, first of all, it didn't even upload. Because it was like, no, it can't upload. It's blah, 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 blah. Doing all this, doing all that. I'm like, oh my God, I'm gone.
What do you get?
Mile myself up before I got a mile your butt.
Okay, so this all started just because she didn't want to go in there, in our clubhouse. And now she's acting like a huge freaking baby! Baby! So now we're going to the clubhouse and leaving her behind. And she's on her phone trying to upload the video. Oh yeah, if she ever has a YouTube channel, subscribe to her because she's hilarious. And then the dog.
Go in there.
There's the dog.
I'm about to take
And there's a little mini door for small people. I'm not being rude at all. This is for like tall people, and that's for the small people. We like small people, like we just can't stand when they get bullied. So we be making little things for them, and we be like, take that, big kids. Even though we're big kids, but yeah, because we have this friend named Alexa, and she's short, and that door right there is based on her. So, oh yeah, this can be Nature Part 2 on my YouTube channel.
You have one?
Duh!
You have a Nature Part 2. I mean, you have Nature Part 1.
No, you have Nature Part 1 and
No,
I have
don't.
Nature Part 2. Wait, you deleted it from your phone?
Yeah, deleted.
Oh, so...
We're gonna make another one.
Okay. So yeah, this is Nature Part! Are you okay? If she's laughing
like I was surfboarding.
Exactly. Are you okay?
Yeah.
That was just so funny.
Surfboard and I fell.
Oh yeah, these are all our pine cones. See, we are adventurous. Get it? Adventurous Flipmaster. Anyway, yeah, we are. See, this is our little workstation. Don't think we're weird, but yeah, subscribe to my channel and turn on that post notification button. Oh yeah, thank you guys for 28 subscribers. I know it's been my last video I had 17 subscribers, but you guys are so awesome that you decided, hey, let's get him more subscribers so he can give out more shout outs. So I thank you guys for that, and I will upload more new videos soon just for you guys, because you guys are so freaking awesome.
You uploaded a video called how to what is it called? How to surfboard or whatever it was called.
I didn't put how to surfboard. What you talking about? I ain't uploading no video called how to surfboard. You must be crazy. Wait, did I? No, because I don't have a surfboard in my house.
No, it was on your TV.
On my TV?
Yeah, you were reading that thing.
Oh, how to do outside dive ability and springboard ability. That's not surfboard. Yeah, I know I uploaded that. That's not surfboard. Oh yeah, she's trying to surfboard. Surfboard. You should record.
This could be a game.
Yeah, you should record too. So like I can have Nature Part 2, and you can have Nature Part 1. So are you gonna come in or no? Ow. Are you gonna come in or no? Enemy behind you! Wow. She's just staring off into space right now. Kamaya! Kamaya! You scared me! Kamaya, are you okay? Oh yeah, there was bug spit on that. Just kidding. I joke around sometimes. What doing?
Stop saying what doing.
No! Oh yeah, subscribe to Super Mario Logan channel.
What is this?
What is what?
Don't show the camera. Don't show the camera.
I'm not.
But the camera's right there.
I'm not. I'm just gonna show it to my face.
What is that?
What is that?
Well, I got a picture of that.
What was it?
I don't know.
Here, kitty. Here, kitty. I think her favorite animal is a cat, guys. Is your favorite animal a cat, Kamaya? Meow if it's yes. Yup, it's a cat. Hey, what's up? I'm recording too.
He's recording.
Yeah.
So
this is she's recording. Yeah, and I'm recording Nature Part 2.
but we can't do it at the same time because we're basically doing the same thing.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna record it.
Yeah, I caught them up on all the details before you. And there might be a Nature Part 3 and a Nature Part 4, but who knows?
Let's get right.
Meow. Yes, I speak dog. Oh, come here, Zanai. What's up? Hi, Jesseline. Hi, Dawson. Hi, Carlos. Wait. Oh, what's up, Jack? Jack, come here. Probably. Where you gonna win today?
Yeah, I'm with my twin.
I'm recording for my YouTube channel. I got 28 subscribers. That. And this is this crazy dude named John Carlos. We call him John sometimes, and we call him Carlos. No touch, no touch, no touch. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Ow! Ankles broke. Okay, so I showed you guys all of those people. Oh yeah, yesterday, my friend named Ramir, he was so mad because we won a game in football. My team scored 42 points and he scored 35. So, yeah.
Can you get that water bottle right over there and fill it up with water so I can make this wet? Look how hard this is.
I don't want to get the water bottle.
Get it.
Oh, this one has some water in it. Exactly.
Get some more water.
Hey, kid. I'll give you two Oreos if you keep filling up the water bottle. I promise. You're a baby. And she crazy too. She's wearing no freaking shoes. Waterloo! Ah! Don't do that. Don't do that. Ew. Yeah. I think she's been bitten by a cat too many times. Now she's only speaking in cat language. Why do you keep meowing?
Somebody go fill up that water bottle.
Not it.